Oh my god, is Bitcoin crashing and Binance collapsing, and why are we seeing this massive dump? Because yes, we have left the level of 27,000 US dollars and we came all the way back down to a new low round about the levels of 25,455. So yes, are we going to hold this very important level and bounce off from this downward sloping channel, or what is going to happen with Bitcoin? SEC sues Binance and CZ for security violations. And once again, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, is taking legal action against Binance and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao CZ. The SEC lawsuit claims that Binance unlawfully socialized customers from the US to trade assets on the unregistered platforms. Also, the securities regulator alleged that the contrary to what the defendants claimed, Binance and CZ were directly involved in the Binance US operation. So over on crypto Twitter, we can see our team is standing by, ensuring systems are stable, including withdrawals and deposits. Because yes guys, we can see that at the moment a lot of people are rushing to Binance to take all of their crypto out and also Bitcoin. And if we can see that a lot of congestion is caused on the Bitcoin network because a lot of people want to withdraw their Bitcoin, we can see that yes, a lot of people will sell the Bitcoin on the market to get the US dollar out of Binance. So yes, this is why we could expect that the price of Bitcoin is getting this major dump towards the downside. But he also said we will issue a response once we see the complaint. Haven't seen it yet. Media gets the info before we do. And yes guys, we can see that a lot of media outlets have had these news before CZ actually saw this complaint. The SEC complaint aims to unliterally define crypto market structure. But let's go over to the next article to find out even more about this response from Binance. So the SEC complaint aims to unliterally define crypto market structure. And that is exactly what is happening in the markets and what we can see from the SEC. And this is very important. Today's action is another in line of examples where, as with other cryptocurrency projects facing similar suits, the Commission has determined to regulate with a blunt weapon of enforcement and litigation rather than the thoughtful, nuanced approach demanded by this domestic and complex technology, unliterally labeling certain tokens and services as a security, even ones of which the US authorities have asserted jurisdiction, only compounds these problems. And yes, they're not actually helping that crypto is going to get regulations and that the whole crypto market is going to stay in the United States. With this, they're just driving all of these big companies and the big major players and exchanges out of the country. But guys, I wouldn't be concerned because yes, maybe this causes the market to dump at the moment, but I don't think this is going to affect Binance because yes, they have a strong army of lawyers working behind this case. But let's go back over to Bitcoin to look at the charts to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. And first of all, yes, we're going to start on the weekly chart, and this weekly candle didn't open bullish. We saw this dump towards the downside and we lost this very important support that we have been holding for quite a while, from the beginning of March actually, and we saw this dump all the way back down, forming a new low exactly at the levels of 25,455. So yes, we have formed a new low and we are getting very close to this very important support box that we have round about the 25,100 US dollar level that we have seen for a price target for quite a while, but we didn't manage to break out. So yes, we came all the way back down to the level. But let's go on the daily chart. We can see this very important support and resistance that we had for quite a while, but we can see we already broke this downward sloping channel once, and we came very close to this trend line where we touched exactly this trend line, and we saw this bounce all the way back up to the 28,000 US dollar level. So yes, what is going to happen? Are we going to come all the way back down to this lower trend line? Guys, first of all, yes, we can draw this trend line like this or also like this. So yes, maybe we're going to see this week underneath this very important trend line, but what is going to be important, that we're going to hold the support and that we're most probably going to close the daily candle and that we could expect this bounce exactly from this level. But guys, let's go down on the lower time frames on the 4-hour chart to really find out what we could expect. But yes, this is going to be the most important factor if we're going to get this bounce exactly in this level and also this major support box round about the levels of 25,200 US dollars. So yes, we could expect a bounce from these regions, and if we're going to see a 4-hour candle close back above this line, we could expect, yes, we're going to form a bottom structure, a W with a double bottom, and afterwards Bitcoin will come all the way back up to this major downward sloping trend. Because yes guys, maybe this FUD of Binance brought the price of Bitcoin all the way down to these levels, but I don't think this is going to hold up very long, because yes, a lot of people selling their Bitcoin, but a lot of people are waiting exactly in these areas to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, and this is also exactly what you should do. Don't panic, just dollar cost average into Bitcoin, and in the long run you will definitely benefit from buying and holding Bitcoin. And with that being said, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly activate the bell. And if you want to profit from the next Polygon move, make sure to watch this video exactly now. And most importantly, be for crypto. And we see each other in the next video.